Hello everyone, in this episode of Cook With Him, we are going to prepare Spanish omelette. For making Spanish omelette, we are going to require the following ingredients. 2 grated cheese cubes, chopped coriander, chopped cabbage, 2 eggs, 2 finely chopped onions medium sized, 1 medium sized potato, 2 to 3 chopped chilies, black pepper powder and salt to taste. First of all, peel the skin of the potato completely and later on rinse it in water. After, cut the potato into small pieces. And transfer it to a bowl. Now switch on the burner, heat the pan for some time and pour some oil to it, to which we'll add a cut potato and saute it for some time. To this, add chopped onions and stir it well. Next, add chopped cabbage. We just need to cook the potato partially. Mix well. And add salt to taste. Black pepper powder half tablespoon. Cover the pan with a lid and leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. Open the lid. Here you can see our potato is partially cooked. Give a proper stir and switch off the flame. In a mixing bowl, break the eggs. Add some salt, some black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon chopped chilies, half tablespoon coriander leaves. Give a proper whisk, making sure combine all well. To the beaten eggs, add the partially cooked potato and mix everything well. Heat some oil in a pan. Tip half of the mixture into the pan and cook on moderate heat. Using a fork to shape the omelette into a cushion. On top, add the grated cheese and spread it evenly. And now add half of the remaining mixture on the omelette. Reduce the heat to low and cover the pan with a lid. When almost set, invert the omelette back into the pan and cook a few more minutes. And here you can see our Spanish omelette is completely ready. Slide onto a plate and cool for 10 minutes before serving. Thanks for watching this video. If you liked my recipe, please do like, share and subscribe to my YouTube channel.